Today we will be installing on a Hipsch top-load washing machine. To do this installation, you will need an Alliance-style laundry boss harness, a MIB, a set of crimping pliers, a drill with a Phillips head drill bit, and one red tap. First, start by opening the coin box here. This can be done with the GR800 key, usually provided by the attendant. Remove the door and set it to the side. Next, remove the two screws at the top of the display panel. Set them aside somewhere where they will not be lost, and fold down the display panel. Next, grab your laundry boss harness and feed the coin connector through the hole. Once the coin connector is in the hole, find the coin wires, which can be found by the red, white, and black wires coming off of the back of the coin mechanism. Unplug this and put the laundry boss harness in line. Next, locate the black ground wire on the laundry boss harness and find the service door switch. There will be two wires coming off the back of the service door switch. One of these wires will run down through the hole and out to the display board. The other wire will run to the coin box. Find the one that runs out to the display board, in this case indicated by the slightly yellowed wire. Put a laundry boss crimp tap on this wire. Rotate it around until it turns freely. Insert the black wire into the laundry boss crimp tap and use your lineman pliers to squeeze it until the plate is flush with the plastic. Then close the lid. Next, find the red and black wires coming off of the laundry boss harness. For this model, we do not have a 2-pin connector, so we will need to remove the 2-pin adapter. Using a pair of cutting pliers, remove the 2-pin adapter. We will be crimping the power to the red and to the white. Please make sure to always cut power to the machine before crimping. Place a red crimp tap on both the red and the white wires. Rotate them around until they rotate smoothly in order to ensure a good connection. Insert the black laundry boss wire into the red crimp tap for the white wire, and use your lineman pliers to squeeze this shut. Then close the lid. Insert the red laundry boss wire into the tap for the red wire, and use the lineman pliers to squeeze until flush. Then close the lid. Finally, locate the black 24-pin connector on the laundry boss harness. Insert this into the MIB and mount the MIB inside of the machine where it is convenient.